The contemporary building is a 3-level family home, has a large 40-foot folding glass wall that folds open that located on a forested ravine lot in Toronto, Canada. The design of the house includes a solid front facade, with a tucked-away entryway that afforded the client the privacy they desired. Welcoming visitors to the home is a 7-foot wide black-framed glass pivot door that opens into the grand foyer, furnished with a console table and a stool. The material palette in the home includes white walls, ceilings, warm wood millwork, and white ash engineered floors. Spanning across the living and dining room, the large opening connects the indoor spaces to the outdoors, expanding the livable space. The outdoor space has been landscaped with a variety of different areas, including a swimming pool and deck, a lounge area with an outdoor kitchen and fireplace, and a dining area. In the living room, there are the 2 bifold pocket doors that open up and hide away, revealing the TV and open shelving, as well as the 3-sided open flame custom fireplace that can be enjoyed from not only the living room and dining room, but also the outdoor space when the wall is opened. Throughout the home, there are 14-foot ceilings, which can be seen in the open-planned Scotch lounge and home office. A walnut accent wall showcases a pair of floor-to-ceiling, temperature-controlled wine fridges, and both open and closed storage for the home office. A large shelving unit separates the dining room from the Scotch lounge, while a set of bifold doors open to reveal a wet bar. In the kitchen, minimalist white cabinets line the walls, while a large island provides space for multiple stools. Hidden within the cabinetry is a dedicated coffee station. Wood stairs connect the various levels of the home, with a black handrail that contrasts the white wall. A hallway with a glass ceiling connects the top of the stairs to the bedrooms. The primary bedroom has floor-to-ceiling windows, and a sliding glass opens to a private outdoor space. A wall of wood closets link the bedroom to the ensuite bathroom, which showcases a white vanity with large mirrors, a built-in bathtub, and a double shower with a glass surround. In one of the other bedrooms, a glass door opens to a small balcony with tree views. Here's a look at the floor plan of the home.